How to fix Play Store not working on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is worked properly. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search Play Store app from here. For example, this is Play Store app, and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Play Store not working on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.